Hi, everybody, and welcome to this webinar. Today, I would like to see how you could launch a joyful and meaningful project to support children's learning with AI, even if you are not an expert. And really, the objective would be how to turn your ideas into income while helping children learn with joy. I'm Catherine Walker, the founder of LearnyKids, and I help people who are passionate about childhood develop their business with fun and educational products. A step-by-step method with friendly and supportive guidance. No technical skills are required, and you just need your creativity and your motivation as well. All right, so before we fully get started, a bit more about LearnyKids, and you probably saw that our mission is to help children learn while having fun, and we help entrepreneurs being a meaningful and inspiring business that will nurture children's learning and educational development. We've been around for over 12 years. And our concept is now distributed in over 20 countries. And we've got more than 100 references that are recognized and award-winning products as well. All right, so a bit more about our product range. So in all our stories, children as their heroes, and our objective is really to inspire, entertain, and really support children from birth. And we've developed a range of personalized books with an average of, I would say, about 10 elements of personalizations that will include their names, their friends, their families, their births, their pets if they wish to. We also have got a range of personalized songs, personalized with the child's name. And we've got about 30 references in over 8 languages. Personalized cartoons that are personalized with a picture on the name of the child or the adults as well. Educational kits, so those are digital only. So I did not mention, but all the first books, songs, cartoons are available either in a digital format or if the customer prefers, it could be a physical product as well. Educational kits are more around soft skills like emotions for kids, resilience, and so on. And those are digital only. We also have the Create Kids digital platform where you or your customers can create amazing books, magazines, scrapbooks. And this product is more dedicated to schools or cultural sports association and so on. And also we've got the e-learning academy. Again here, digital only with a range of different programs, more on the soft skill side for children. You also can discover, if you go to our website, learnykids.co.uk, you can download our full product catalog and watch some more videos about the concept. So now, imagine a dream project and really the magic it brings to the world. And all that with a simple, innovative concept that will help you build an impactful business with peace of mind. A concept really that will make your life easier. And what we propose is a turnkey business, no stock, no logistics, no tech hassle, with a tailored support. So even if you are starting from zero, we guide you every step of the way. User-friendly software so that you really can personalize the products in a snap. On the thriving market, because the products are mainly dedicated for kids from birth to 10 years old. So really an opportunity to earn great margins with products that spark imagination, products that truly stand out. So stories and tools where the children is at the heart of the adventure. Trusted quality, it's approved by parents, educational professionals, and award-winning range of products. Will impact because it will spark curiosity, educate, and really create lasting memories and bring everyday magics. So really products that delight and create unforgettable moments. All this while saving you time, energy, and money as well. But you know, when people think about starting a business, what often holds them back, we all have things that hold us back. We have thoughts that go in circle in our heads and stop us from taking actions. And you know what? You are not alone. Let me share a few that I hear all the time. So the first thing is, I don't have time. And I fully understand. You know, between family life, work, unexpected things, time is really precious. And here is what I usually say. Nowadays, with AI, you really have access to simplified tools. And really, you don't need 10 hours a week. Sometimes just 2 focused hours are enough to move forward. The goal, you know, is not to do everything at once. It's to create your first small product, then a second, and then a third, on which each step you gain more confidence. And most importantly, when you build something meaningful, you know, it really gives you energy, or not the other way around. Another thing I hear a lot is that I'm not techie, or digital projects are too complicated. And you know, many people think that they need to understand everything from the start, that they have to be good with tech. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be willing to learn and to be well supported. So, you know, with micro step, just a few hours a week, like I just mentioned, you know, it could be 2 hours where you are really focused, makes a huge difference. And, you know, with regard to the support with Learning Kids, we've designed everything to guide you step by step. You know, each tool is explained, each template is ready to use. All you have to do is click personalize and you are good to go. So with the right tools and a bit of structure, you really can create something amazing. And, you know, the testimonials I will share with you also will illustrate it. And other things I say, I'm not good enough. And that's where also the community is really important. And that's where we'll be here. You know, I mentioned to guide you, to support all the way. So, little takeaway of this section, it's normal to have doubts, but don't really let them stop you. Everything here is really designed to help you succeed, even as a beginner. Start small, but really dream big. Okay, so what we'll discover today, I will be sharing with you some tools on how to use AI, even if you are starting from scratch. And also we'll finish at the end of the webinar by some Q&As and also a special webinar offer to help you get started with confidence. All right, now, what if AI became your best ally? So before, you know, you had, when you wanted to set up your business, you had to learn to build a website, you had to write catchy marketing text, design graphics, create video animation, you had to handle tech tools, updates, and so on and so on. Or if you did not know how to do it, if you did not have time to learn, you had to pay experts. And here you really had high cost, delays, and a lot of stress going with it. And that's why, many people gave up even before they started. Now, with AI, things are becoming much, much simpler because you can create images, text in seconds. You don't have to code, to design, or even write like a pro. And really, AI guides you and assists you, and that will be saving you an awful lot of time. So the result is that you go from idea to action in a click, and finally launch a project that reflects who you are, even with no experience. And in a moment, I will be sharing with you some practical examples of how AI really can support you with this regard. With AI, the best part is that you stay in control. AI does not replace your creativity. It really will enhance it. It will save you time. It will help you turn to a vague idea into a concrete project. And it's not magic, but it's close. What we used to take, like maybe something like 5 hours, you really can do it now in 20 minutes. But on really, I feel that changes everything, especially when you are a mom or a dad working. You have limited time is precious. And that's why now is a perfect time to get started. AI really nowadays makes entrepreneurship more accessible than ever. And when you apply this to a field like childhood, learning, or creativity, you really get a winning combination: impact, freedom, and income. I feel, that nowadays AI really allows you to get started quickly, even if you are a total beginner. It helps you create high quality product strategies and actions with no team and no big budget. And at LearnKit, we provide you the framework, the tech aspect, the templates, the tools, and also, most importantly, the support you need to turn it into a real business. All right, a quick one about the AI landscape. This one was for dated of 2024. I don't have a recent chart for 2025 because the landscape, is moving so fast. Like a few days ago, there's been the Grok, it's called Grok Heavy. Elon Musk, you like him or not, but he just launched that, which is really is going to impact a lot the current landscape. But it just gives you an idea about all the tools around. We see that it's a global phenomenon, obviously. Currently a bit more male, for about nearly 70%. Also, it's probably going to change over time. One thing I would like to mention with this regard, here you see we've got the top 50 AI products. Again, it's changing every day. But what I feel is important, as an entrepreneur, there are so many amazing tools around. It's very important to focus and really to simplify it, and maybe to use just 1 or 2 tools that are right for your activity. So, for instance, in our activity, we mainly will be using ChatGPT, which is great, for most of it, and I will show you how. Canva is a classic one, very good. On here, I speak about the free versions. We've got also CapCut, which we use quite a bit. Because the temptation, will be, you will hear about those amazing tools to do some amazing videos. Yes, but be careful, you've got to focus your time where you will get the best results. You've got also to be careful about budget, because some tools, you've got the free version, like I will show you, which is more than enough. But other tools, like now I think about some video tools like Picalabs on Veo, on so many others, which are absolutely amazing. But if you want to be able to generate videos a bit faster, you need to have a paid version. And 100 plus 200 plus 10, it adds really quickly. So my recommendation with AI is just focus on the best tools, the ones that speak to you best. So could be chat, could be Claude or some other tools, but just use 1, 2, 3 maximum. All right? Okay, so now I've got some few testimonials of people that joined the Learning Kids Adventure when a dream turns into a real project. So I'm not going to read them all because you can find all testimonials in our website. So let me just read a few of them. Christine, I was looking for flexibility. I found so much more freedom, profit, and joy of selling. What else? Ines, the products are high quality and so easy to personalize. My customers love them. In just 6 months, I earned over 10K working just a couple of hours a week. Not bad. What else? Louis, I've been up and running for almost a year thanks to Learning Kids support and my own perseverance with just 3 hours a week. I now earn around 800 euros per week. The products are so popular that I've been able to, very important, automatize my process. It's profitable and incredibly rewarding. All right, and I will illustrate some of those in the demo in a second. All right, so now let's have a look at what they put in place to succeed with simple strategies and real results. Okay, so now let's start with Aurelia. Here she developed a strategy on social media using AI on how she turned £9 into net profit for her 1,500. And basically, that's something we've done with the example I'm going to show you. We did a lot of coaching with these people, and that's what I'm going to share with you about their journey on what they achieved with their own strategy. So basically what she did, firstly, she was on Facebook, so she just activated a network. There were not many people, but she had, a pretty fair community. So she activated a network, posted as well on parents' Facebook groups. So she shared on a personal profile and offered free access to pages on, for instance, the educational kit in the parent groups. And that's how she generated the first leads. And that's what we teach you really during the training, how to leverage the free tools we provide so that you can attract your first customers. Then what she did, with no Facebook experience whatsoever on the marketing part, she ran a mini Facebook ad campaign. So she paid £3 for 3 days. So she had a total budget of £9, sorry, so that she could reach a wider audience. And once she got all the people, requesting the access to the free resources, she started to generate an email sequence that she automated. And with AI on the Learning Kids tools, she created simply an automated email sequence in a CRM to turn leads into customers. Just for your information, for those who do not know what a CRM is, it's just, if you want a large database, customer relationship management system that will allow you to put all your leads in the same place, send them email, communicate with them regularly, but also to program your communication, and very importantly as well, assess the impact of your communication. And that's something as well we insist a lot during the training. Launching action is very important and crucial, but assessing, looking at your figures afterwards, what worked, what did not work, is really important as well, because it will help you to improve your strategy along the way. So the results she got, she generated a bit more than 300 leads in 3 days, and that translated into 75 sales, confirmed sales. And that meant a net profit in a pocket of £1,500. On that, on ROI, return on investment of more than 160, from £9, she had in a pocket 1,500. So pretty amazing. On the best of it as well, when she managed to achieve that, she did not achieve it first time. She launched some campaigns, analyzed the figures, adjusted, and using AI for that as well. And we had some coaching to help her step by step to assess, build some new campaigns so that she had this perfect formula. And what is amazing, once you've got something that really works, don't reinvent the wheel every time. Duplicate and update. So focus on a different product, change the pictures, change the text, and AI will help you to do that in few seconds. And I will show you how to do it. So now she runs those campaigns, she can put more budget. So that's how, her income is really rocketing. And so basically she said, I never imagined generating so many sales with such a small budget. AI gave me the ideas and the words to go for it. All right, so here are some few of the tools. Obviously, I'm not going to go in too much details today. So here are some of the things we've used. So when she first got started and when everybody gets started, AI on ManyChat can help you with building a strategy really that feels like you. And that's really important. You really to put your values, your personality, to adapt it to the time you have, to what you love doing, and so on and so on. So here is a script that you can use when you first get started. So I'm going to read, just to give you a rough idea about how to use it. And what you can do when you first get started, you copy paste and you adapt it. So for instance here, it's how to build a strategy that feels like you. So, but my business is called blah, 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 blah. I recently joined the Learning Kids Adventure and I want to build a fulfilling, profitable activity that aligns with my values, both human and educational, and above all, family orientated. I'm mom, a dad, you can put your age, if you've got kids, how old they are, married, divorced, whatever, and currently working full-time. He has much information as you can about your own background. Here, let's say, for instance, at first, I will be developing this activity during my free time, in the evening, on a bit on weekends. I have no prior entrepreneurial experience, and I'm also new to the digital world, or you could say, hey, I'm already pretty experienced. So whatever your real situation is, highlight your qualities. I'm very organized. I have background in blah, 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 blah. So I'm confident I can transfer those skills into this adventure. So provide as much information as you can. For me, what I like to do is to do it on my phone because I can speak. You can do it as well on your computer. And, sometimes it's much easier when you first brief chat to do it orally than typing it. So do whatever is, works for you. So a few words about you, what matters to you, most importantly, your core values, that is really important. What you love doing, what you don't enjoy doing. So be very honest here. Your specialty. So here you explain the business, and we've got also some script with this regard. My offer includes blah, 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 blah. So he personalized books, music album, da, 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 da. You explain with your own words your goal. So basically here I put as an example to build a reliable, partially automated source of income. Or it could be, you could say, the first 6 months I want it to be partially, and I want to build it step by step to be fully automated, for instance. I want to generate stable and growing income over the next 12 months, working no more than 4 hours a week, for instance. I aim to triple my revenue every 3 months with a realistic, simple strategy that I can implement at my own pace. I'm looking, so now you explain what you want. I'm looking for a custom strategic action plan based on my personal values, my limited weekly availability, you know, and so on and so on. So you just adapt this script. And now you say, please structure your plan in 3 clear phases. Immediate action, 7 to 30 days, recurring system, you know, and so on, scalable growing, 6 to 12 months. You can also suggest simple free tools to get started. You know, I mentioned earlier on the CRM. There are a lot of free tools. So again, here we usually recommend you to go to free tools, not to go straight on to the paid option. On that also, we help you to choose the best tool. So for example, the best CRM according to your project, to you, and because there's so many around that we help you to focus on the one that is the best for your own use. You also can suggest content ideas for channel and so on and so on. Okay, and the first time you work with AI, the first time you give your brief, what I would recommend is that you ask, I would like you to ask me 10 to 15 smart, targeted questions about my audience, my products, my brand voice, so that you can design the most relevant and high impact content strategy. Okay? Really important. Once you've done that to start with, you will not have to do it later on. But it's very important to start on a good basis. And once, you know, they ask you the question, answer as honestly and in a detailed fashion so that you provide really all the info. All right, so let's do it. Let me do a copy paste and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here, let's go to chat. Okay, I will just I will just say that this is a test. And let's launch it. And you will see it's really quick, you know, instantly. And it will give you details about your audience. So you know the questions we spoke about. Can you please create without the questions? All right, because yeah, usually you will provide the answer to the questions. Here we don't really have time, so I ask him, and you see again it's nearly instant. Phase 1 on and what is really important when you work with AI, don't stop with what you've got here. Read it, you know, you are in control. See what speaks to you, what you like, what you don't like, and then you adapt it. Here, it's really a base. It will give you some ideas, and you say, oh yeah, I love that. Don't like that, and so on and so on. But it's a great way to start with, to define your main strategy. So here, define your core offers, set up a simple sales system. And you see here, they suggest you some tool. System IO is really good, MailerLite as well. So you see, it gives you step-by-step phase. Amazing to start with. So then you adapt, make it your own, and so on. And then you can ask more questions. So now, for instance, you say, I would like to build my, well, for instance, if you want to create a simple, clear offer. Okay, so here you could say, could you please write my tagline, or I don't know, you know, whatever. And you go deeper and deeper and deeper. If you don't like it, you say, yeah, but could you give me more ideas around that and that? You say, here, it's too much focus on books because there are other products. Can you make other suggestions, and so on and so on? So you see, you just play around, go deeper. On the best way when you work in AI, just think you are speaking to an advertising agency. It is like a human, so you even can give a name to your AI. I don't, but you could call him George, or, you know, whatever you like. But really important, think you are briefing on expert. And you can say also, you know, when you brief you as an expert in strategic business launch, da 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 da, and then it will adjust the result according to what you say. All right? Okay. All right. So that's how you build when you first get started your strategy. On this phase is really important so that you not go all over the place. Because, you know, when you first get started, you will have so many ideas, very enthusiastic and so on, and you will want to do many, many things. And when we do the coaching, what we recommend is really to go to focus your ideas, your strategy towards where you will get the highest income, and to go where as well what you love doing. Once you've done your strategy, what you can do is, for instance, if you love to do a digital on social networks, you can start creating your own editorial calendar. So here again, I've got a script. So if you've done that previously, you don't need to tell again information about your company. You go straight to what you expect. So I want, my goal is for social media content. I want to create a balanced mix of educational and value-based content that builds trust and provide inspiration to parents. Da, da, da. Here you put, you know, your tone of voice, your values, and so adapt it. My main goals are to, so here you say what your goals are, because on social network, really important on the web, in general, it's one communication, one objective. Don't try to cover everything. What is your main objective for one publication? Is it to grow your brand awareness? Is it to position ourselves as a credible, caring expert, and so on and so on? So here you can say, because it's a brief, you can put all the things that are really important for you. Very important, the posting rhythm. So according to your own availability, do you want to post once a week, once a day, once a month, whatever is right for you? Where do you want to post? What do you like? You know, for example, me, I'm more Facebook. I'm not using much Instagram. We saw that with our type of activity, as of today, Facebook is what works best. In 2 months, I might be telling you something different because everything is changing so fast. But here, go with what you love. Don't try to do everything. And I would say that's something, you know, I know for me, when I got started, people were saying, you must be on Instagram, you must be on Facebook, you must have an amazing community and so on. No, do what feels right to you. And I would say, surf your own wave. And that is really important, you know, when you are your own boss. Don't get too influenced by people telling you, you must do that, and so on and so on. You must be authentic to yourself. And that's what we help you as well during the training. Because, you know, some people can tell you, do this, do that. And sometimes it can create own doubts. Us, in our coaching, we are just here to guide you from what we know about you. But in business, there's so many ways to do it. There's not one way, you know, like if you do a Facebook campaign, like we see with Aurelia, there's not one way. There are hundreds of ways of doing it. All right? Okay, so you carry on with the briefing, what I need from you. So I need you to complete an editorial calendar, on advice on how to optimize my time and effort. You can say I'm experienced or I'm not experienced, blah, 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 and so on. And then you explain you the format you want. So I want column 1, topic, 2, caption, on text, 3, AI generated image, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's do here as well a copy paste, and let's see what it comes up with. All right, okay, so here we are. Okay, so here for 3 months. And also, you know, when you do that, could be interesting. You could say we are in August or in July, and for the next 3 months, approaching Christmas time, for instance, so that it can be really targeted to the season you are in. I did not do that here. And you see it's amazing. Okay, here I say once a week, week 1, your mission. Okay, and it will give you some ideas. So here you look at all what it suggests. And then you say, I like that, I don't like that, and so on, and so on. Okay, so should we choose one? Let's do, I don't know, this one about the music album. Thanks. Here I would say, thanks. Can you please now generate a publication on the following subject? Here, I just do the copy paste. Simply. Okay. Here I can be more specific. I can say it's for Instagram, it's for Facebook or TikTok, or it will change. If you don't like it, you could say, oh, can you suggest me another version? You see how fast it is. Image. Yes, please. If they want to do it, yes, please. And it will create the image. So with this regard, for me, I've got a paid version on ChatGPT. I started for many years on the free version, but if you start generating a lot of images on chat, then you probably will need the paid version. On chat is pretty cheap. I think it's something like £25. Well, for me, now it's paid because my daughter is creating a lot of images with AI. So, so that's why I've got the paid version. But to start with, the free version is excellent. All right. Okay. So now you've got the image. I did not mention, but obviously we've got a library of images on the training space. So you've got a wide range of product visuals. So for example, you could have something like that with the product visual here, and so on and so on. So you've got the choice. You can create it straight on from AI. You can use what already exists. And what is really important when you launch your business and you do digital marketing, it's to accept imperfection. What is important is to go to action mode, to launch, even if it's not perfect. And when you see, the biggest players, you see the Microsoft, the Apples, and so on. When they launch a new product, usually there will be bugs. Now the AI, chat or Grok as well. There are a lot of bugs to start with, but it's okay. Launch and you will improve along the way. And that really, we see what makes a difference when people join Learning Kids. And when we do the individual coaching, people that launch the action on accept imperfection, and it's pretty hard, to be honest, because usually you want things to be perfect. And, I've gone through that where I was highly frustrated, even when we launched a new book or a new product, you want it to be, the best. But sometimes you feel, oh, I don't like this part, it could be better, but go for it, launch it, and then you improve it along the way. So you see this image, actually I like it. Sometimes I don't like what it produces. I love it. I think it's really nice. What I would do, I probably will add a little visual of one of the music album. I probably would do it on Canva. On that also, we do some training on how to use Canva. You probably know about it, so you don't need it. But if you've never really used it, there's some training, or you could do a little fun animation on CapCut. So again, we've got some dedicated training videos to show you how to do it so that you've got fun. And that's what is amazing as well with the Learning Kids Academy, is that you've got fun along the way. We are into children's, we are into personalized stories where there's real magic, because for kids, it's on parents as well. It's total magic. How do they know my name? And so on and so on. We are in the dream aspect of childhood. So you've got to have fun. Let your creativity go and experiment, and that's why it's a real joyful activity, because you will have fun. You do this visual, you can do on CapCut some add some text and do some little effect, and have fun, but don't spend too much time on creating effects on I say that because having worked with a lot of graphic designers, you could spend, honestly, like a day on choosing a font, as simple as that, a font on an image and so on. But don't spend that much time, go for the imperfection, go for the one that feels the best. Because that's a digital world, you've got to go for it, you've got to launch, you've got to test, improve along the way. Does that make sense? And sorry, I speak a lot because that's something you probably hear I'm passionate about. All right, so that's an example of how you can use AI. Now we are going to see some more examples. So here, Michael on AI. On here, he did not really have a digital strategy. And basically how AI helped him to optimize his stand to have explosive sales. So basically strategy, so he wanted to have exhibition stands. So what he started to do is to generate buzz before the event. So before each fair, and that's very true as well during the Christmas season that, starts October, November. Before each fair, he used AI to create teaser posts for Instagram. In his case, it was for Instagram and Facebook to attract attention and drive traffic. And what was great about it is that with those tools, you can be very specific to your local area. So he really went for a very targeted audience. And also, AI helped him to maximize impact on the site. So it helped him to build a clear demo script, imagining ways to improve the visitor experience, catchy hooks, fun animation, personalized themes, and obviously as well, we help you with that because we've got so many years experience that we can give you some free tips. You don't have to invest in amazing stands or whatever. With very simple things, using your creativity will give you some ideas about what works and also what does not work. Results. So he had, by doing that, he achieved more foot traffic and very important, higher conversion. And in this specific event, he achieved over 100 sales in just 2 days. So, you can calculate yourself. If you look at an average basket of about 25 pounds, so, 2,500K in 2 days, it's not bad. And very important, there were few techniques, very basic techniques to fidelize his customers. So 85 of those customers became loyal and reordered in the following months. And usually what happens, the average basket as well is higher. And what he did as well, and what we recommend people to do it, even for people did not buy, you create, like a price draw. Your objective is to get email addresses that you can use later on in your CRM on, what we mentioned earlier on, your automated process. That's what he did. And there was a prize draw. People could win access to the academy. It's nice because it cost them 0, or educational kit and so on and so on. So, they could offer the prizes they want. And amazing because like that, if everybody that went through his stand did not order, he had the email addresses and he could fidelize them later on. So with the right tools and a bit of creativity, I turned a simple booth into a real customer magnet. Okay? Another example, really important, this one about Claire, press release to stand out and sell more. That is something I insist a lot when we do the initial training. It's to leverage the power of the media that is totally free, but it can get you amazing results. So basically, you will write a powerful press release with AI. So basically, Claire used ChatGPT to draft a press release that presented the business and products in an attractive and very important authentic tone that reflects who she is. Then she targeted the right media and AI helped her to generate a list of contacts, local newspapers, parenting blog, local radio stations, TV, and so on. Really simple. And basically, after that, she mastered sending and follow-up with training. So she used LearnyKids training to send follow-up and maximize the results. Very simple. on the result, in this specific case, she achieved articles in 2 local newspapers, a radio interview. Radios love it. I don't know why, but you will see that this part is really, really easy, even more at Christmas season. So if you start by sending those September, October, you are kind of guaranteed to go on the radio and have local newspapers as well. And what is nice as well, you can get really quick results, but in a case as well, 4 months later on, when she totally forgot about it, she was contacted by 2 more blogs and again, 1 more radio interview. And she measured this part and she saw that after having a media publication, there was a 40% increase in the traffic on a website. And basically, that allows her to get new sales. So sometimes all it takes is a right message sent at the right time to open big doors. And that is so true because when you do that, when you've got publications in the media, it gives you lots of credibility. So just do it. It just will take you a bit of time. No budget whatsoever, and the result can be amazing. And very important, don't do like me. Because when we've got publications in the media, I tend to forget to keep a copy of it. So keep a copy of it, compile all your publications, TV, radio, and so on. And like that, you put it on your website and it will help you to get a lot of credibility. All right? And we'll finish with a final example with Louis. With regard to his website, a ready-to-sell site in 5 days, and he achieved his first sales in 2 weeks. His strategy, an attractive, fully operational site from day 1. So basically, we provided him with a turnkey e-commerce website, responsive design, with all full Monty features, order management, and so on. If you get the Learning Kids turnkey website, the only thing you have to do is to buy your own domain name and hosting. Very important, like that you own your website. But all the rest, we provide it and it's operational in less than 5 days. And then we taught him how to manage his website and how to optimize SEO easily with no tech and no stress. And after that, he created content that attracts with, again, using AI. So to write engaging social posts, linking to his website, blogs as well, SEO, SEO optimized, so search engine optimization, mini articles, and more. All right? And basically, he had a fully operational website in under 5 days. He had, using this strategy, 100 plus email subscribers, and he achieved in first sales within 2 weeks on no paid ads at all. So in less than 5 days, I had a beautiful, fully operational site with real tools to start selling. All right? Okay, so few takeaways before you get started. So what we've covered so far, creating products, visual, and communication has never been easier, thanks to AI and our personalized tools and coaching. You can make sales even without a network, starting from 0. A small budget can generate great results. The right support makes all the difference when you are starting out. Okay, some few tips for a great start. So really start simple. 1 product, 1 channel. You focus on what you love best, but don't try to do it all at once. Make it visuals, very important with our type of activity. People will buy with their eyes and heart. Talk about your project. Word of mouth is really powerful, and it will also help you to get more confident and also to adjust the way you speak about your business. Usually, less is more. Don't aim for perfection. Better start small than wait too long. And that's what we teach you, and that we do a lot during the coaching. It's you want to be at the top of the mountain, so we help you to climb step by step to achieve your objectives. And really to rely on a proven framework and method. That's what exactly what Learning Kids offers you. All right, so does this adventure inspires you? Okay, so a bit more about, we've got all-in-one packages. Here I've got a print screen about our usual offers that will go from 990 to 7K pounds. And it all varies, you will have a different level of stock, you will have more options like the turnkey website, you might have exhibition stands. So all our packs are designed to be flexible so that it can adapt to your project on your needs. But today, I've got a special webinar offer at a fraction of the usual price. This offer is valid only 24 hours, and we've got only 5 spots available. The reason it's limited is that, I mentioned we do a lot of coaching, initial training when you get first started, and we cannot take on too many people if we want, to coach you properly. So that's why it's very limited to 5 starters. And with our webinar offer, what you will get the license with the personalization software. It's a value of about minimum 990 pounds. You will get access to the entire product range, 390 pounds. Free unlimited access to activity books, ebooks, educational kit, value 290. You will have the turnkey e-commerce website ready to go. So when we sell it separately, we sell it for 2,300 pounds. Training on support. So here I just put a value, but it's much more at 600 pounds. When I do coaching to out of Learning Kids, to business people, and to companies, I will charge minimum 250 to 500 pounds an hour. And when I do group trainings, then it's much, much more. So, just to give you an idea, that's the equivalent of a couple of hours individual training. Marketing tools, files, scripts, and so on, minimum 500 pounds. Premium access to the Create Kids platform and its affiliate program, 100 pounds. And also access to all Learning Kids Academy programs and its affiliate program as well. All that of a total value of 3,500 pounds. And today, with this webinar offer, you will get it for only 497 pounds. Here, you can order over here. And I've also put the QR code. So if you want to take a picture of it, it will lead you directly to the page. So let me have a look. So it will lead you to this page where you can order. Okay. So you go to this website, and as an extra bonus, you will get a stock of 15 products that will include 5 CD burns, 5 DVD burns, 5 Create Kids membership, all that of a total value of 739 pounds, meaning your web offer today has got a total value of 4,239 pounds. Okay? All that for only 497 pounds. So the best time to start a project was yesterday. The second best time is today. I've got also an extra offer. If you say, yeah, love it, but I don't want a website, or maybe you already have got your own website. So with that, you've got an offer at only 249 pounds. So all what I listed previously, but without the website. So again, you can order it here. There's a QR code here. And when you are here, you see You can choose with web website or without the website. And I will speak in a minute about the monthly membership, which is optional. And on the site as well, you will have all the details, if you want to look again at all what is included in this pack. Okay? And very important also, you've got a 7-day money back guaranteed. So if after 2 days or 7 days you say, oh, finally, it's not for me, absolutely fine. Just call us, send us an email, whatever. No question asked, we'll reimburse you automatically. Okay, so you don't take any risk. Now, let me tell you a bit more about the monthly subscription, which is optional. So you can get on an additional £19.90 a month. It's an optional subscription that also you can cancel at any time. So and that is really important. All the examples I gave you, they had this training, and that really helps them to take the business to the next level with personalized support and premium resources. So you will get one-on-one coaching on demand. So for that, if you need help with a challenge or new ideas, you can book a private session with one of our experts or with myself whenever you need it. And when I mentioned that I charge between 250 and 500 an hour, you can see the value you get here. You get unlimited tech support. So we've got a team here to help you, to guide you on the technical side. No stress, no jargon. Sometimes, when people first get started, on who are not tech savvy at all, they don't want to install the book software themselves. So absolutely fine. We do it during our first training session. So you've got tech support at any time. You've got step-by-step training. So you've got access to our e-learning space with video tuto, practical guides. We've got live webinars to really keep learning at your own pace. If you can attend the live webinar, absolutely fine. There will be the replay for you to watch. And like that, you really can learn at your own pace. I mentioned some tools like Canva, like CapCut, like the CRM. So we regularly do some webinars, masterclasses on those subjects. AI as well, obviously, we do a lot on AI. And when there's a new tool coming up, now we are assessing the video tools. Now, it's a bit early for the video tools because the free ones are really slow or not perfect yet. So once we find something which is good, so we test as well tools for you. And once we've got something we find really, really good and cost efficient or free, that we share it and we could organize masterclasses as well. French content every month, new digital products and marketing resources added regularly. So you don't have, if you don't have time, you just use what is available. So you always have something new to offer. Growth strategies that work, simple, proven techniques to grow your online business with clarity and confidence. Access to the private community, so you will join a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs on the same journey. Very important so that you don't feel alone. And the done-for-you marketing kits that include ready-made visuals, brochures, social media posts, and more. On the best part, no strings attached. You can cancel your membership at any time, no question asked. So you, as mentioned, you just have to call us or send us an email and we'll cancel if you don't need it. Or if you want to put it on pause as well. That happens sometimes, when people during summer holidays, they know they will not work at all for a couple of months. You can put on pause as well. All right. Okay, so here I've got some more testimonials. They are all accessible on our website. On here, you will see what are interesting with those testimonials. People are coming from very different backgrounds, very different type of experience. They've developed as well different strategies. What I mentioned is that it's very important to develop the strategy that is right for you. I've got some more video testimonials. I'm not going to go through it today because we are already running late, but have a look at them on our website. On here, if you want to get some free samples, books, CDs, DVDs, educational kits, whatever, you can send us an email at hello@learnykids.co.uk, and we'll send you some samples for books, music. On DVD, we'll ask you some elements like the picture of the child or names or whatever, but we'll put everything on the email. But please feel free to request those free samples. Some more testimonials that you can find as well on our website. Fun, rewarding, and instructive, thriving with Learning Kids. From day one, I successfully paid back my initial investment from Katie. Gaining confidence and success, my journey with Learning Kids, Sonia. Extra income savers during our toughest time, Paul and Lynette. Kimberley, flexibility on extra income, Learning Kids is perfect for single moms. Have a look at it. I'll put this video on pause if you want to read them in details. If you still have got some questions, if you want to discuss about your project, you can book an appointment here you go on our website, or you can scan this QR code. It will lead you directly to our booking page. So please feel free to do so, but don't wait too long, because this offer is valid only 24 hours and we've got 5 seats available. Okay, so what if it were your turn? The best time is now. Those two offers, £497 with the website, or £249 without the website. And we've got, as I mentioned, the 7 days money back guaranteed. All right. Okay. So any questions? So please put your questions in the chat. If you asked them previously, please put them again so that I can get them access to them a bit easily. Okay. And I put back. Okay. All right. Cindy, I'm ready to book. What are the next step? Really simple. You click on the link and you book the pack that is the best for you. Okay, Natalia. Oh, thank you. I would like to book tomorrow to take time to review everything. Since it's limited to 5 spots, could you please hold one for me? I cannot guarantee. I will try to hold one for you. Probably the best, Cindy. Oh, sorry, Natalia. Book some time. So if you've got question, book some time or call me directly so that we can have a chat. Dave, you mentioned training on support. How does that work exactly? Okay, good question. So even if you don't get the monthly membership, you've got access to the e-learning space, where you've got videos, you've got different modules to help you learn at your own pace. And it will guide you, step by step. So you've got access to that, where you've got everything you need. Even if you don't have a monthly membership, you will get initial induction. So if you've got the pack at £497, first induction will be an overview, make sure the software is properly installed, make sure you understood everything, give you some first ideas about developing the best strategy for you. And we do a separate session. We separate them because it's too much for the brain. On the other session, we focus more on the website, where we teach you how to integrate your own payment method. We can't do that for you because obviously it's very private data. But we guide you. It's really simple. It takes 5 minutes. We teach you how to manage your website, whatever your level of expertise is, we do that. Okay, and if you've got a monthly membership, then you've got access, in addition to all of that, you've got access to the one-on-one coaching, and all the other things I mentioned at any time in your activity. All right. Okay, again, a question about the subscription. Is it mandatory and what are the benefits? I think we've covered that. No, it's you can choose to do it or not. Let me go back to what it includes. Voilà. Okay, you've got all what is included here. And you don't, it's good, for people, and we see, all the examples I gave are people that had the monthly membership. Obviously, it helps you to fast track your development. But if you are already, very experienced in business, you already know very well about digital marketing, maybe you might not need that to start with. It's totally your choice. Okay, another question from Olivia. Do I need to be good with tech to succeed with Learning Kids? Okay, sorry, let me go back. Absolutely not. We've got a lot of people that joined where they've never ever done digital marketing. They're quite scared. So absolutely, it's fine. We will teach you at your own pace to develop your skills. And what I love about it as well is we've got, very often people that before they get started, they're really scared and they say, oh, I'm not sure I will be able to do it. But they've got the courage, to get started. And what I love is after a few months to see them having so much fun, getting so enthusiastic about digital marketing, getting really good at some part of it. And, because some of them we had, for instance, I had a person, she loved Canva. And because she became so good at it, she was teaching other people. So she was a guest on webinars. So yeah, don't worry. It's a case of most people, and we help you, we guide you to learn at your own pace. Okay, I've got Harry. How long usually does it take to make the first sale? That's entirely up to you. Again, what is important is to go to action. If you get started and you sit at your desk, don't do anything, you will get no sales. But if you do a bit of action, if you start speaking about you and you do your plan really quick, some people just by their friends around them, because everybody has got a gift to make, you really should make your sales even the first day. That's very common. But again, entirely up to you. You've got to go out there, speak with people, go to action mode. And again, here we guide you so that you get sales pretty much straight on. Okay? Morgan. Good question. Can I really do this if I only have a few hours a week? Absolutely. And that's also, Morgan, how we help you doing the coaching. If you are focused, you can with very few hours a week, and that's how AI as well will help you. So for instance, we had an example about editorial calendar. So what we see is that instead of doing a bit every day, on here, it adds up quickly. You say, for instance, Monday or whatever day, I dedicate 2 hours. Obviously, to start with, it will take you longer. Once you've done it 3-4 times, it will be really, really quick. So you say, I dedicate 2 hours. I'm building my editorial calendar for the month. So AI will help you to generate. So you create your text, your images, you program on your website or Facebook or Insta, depending on what you want to do. You program it all. And once it's done, those 2 hours, the months ahead is planned. So you don't have to touch it anymore. You want to program your stories for the next month, you do it. It will take you maybe 1 hour to start with, and you are done. So absolutely, with only a few hours a week, you will generate results. But what is really important is to be focused. And that's why we help you, to go where you will get the best results. Quite often in the past, I was seeing, when we were giving the turnkey website, I saw people spending time. They wanted to change the color because everything is possible, you know, on a website. We teach you, you've got full control over your website. And sometimes they were spending time on, I say it as well because when I first started, that's what I did as well. And I was spending an awful lot of time on, I wanted it to be pink. I was saying, oh, maybe I will change the picture, or, you know, little things that at the end of the day did not help me or did not help them to get sales. So what we do during the training is to help you to be focused. When you get started, you want to generate income as quickly as possible. Once you know you've seen testimonial, once you're in autopilot mode, then if you've got spare time, you can do the nice to have stuff, you know, have pink stuff here or what, you know, whatever. So yeah, absolutely few hours a week, you can get amazing results. But the most important is to be very focused on to follow, you know, the guidance, the templates we provide so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. We've got proven methods. It has worked, you know, for over 12 years. Just copy paste, adapt to you, to who you are, to your beliefs and so on. And here we are. And that's where, you know, AI make all the difference. It helps you, you know, what before was taking like, even, you know, before when you were asking a graphic designer, I know sometimes for me it was taking like a week to have an image that was correct. Now in like 10 minutes, you've got your visual. So yeah, absolutely. Warren, are the products really personalized or just customizable? Okay, I'm not sure about the difference between personalized or customizable. I would say, to summarize, books, music albums, and DVD cartoons, you can personalize them. They are personalized. Books, on average of 10 elements of personalizations, music with a name, DVD, name, and picture. Educational kit, e-learning academy, it's not personalized. They are digital products. You can personalize it, but usually people will not care too much about it. So those are not. On the Create Kids platform, it's fully personalized. Customers will personalize it as they wish. Okay? Okay, another good question, Emily. Do I have to create everything myself, like website or visuals? No, absolutely not. We provide you with a lot of those already. And we create new content as well. You've got the brochures, you've got product visuals. During the season, you know, as we'll be approaching Christmas, I know it could seem far away, you know, when I speak about Christmas, but it's now. In our type of business, it's now. So we will provide banners, and so on and so on. Some people create their own because they've got fun with it. So up to you. Okay? Is it something I can grow over time, or is it more a side hobby? Yeah, very good question, Raoul. Up to you. Within Learning Kids, we've got both. We've got people that do that on the side, and they keep it on the side because that's what they want. Other people that start on the side and they grow it and it becomes a full-time activity, depending on what your objectives are. Both are absolutely possible. Okay, I think we've covered that already, Emily, again. What kind of support will I get if I feel stuck? If I feel lost or stuck? Yeah, good question. We are here. And really important to call us because, you know, like in life, we've got good days, we've got bad days. So if you are in a bad day, call us, join the community, speak with other people, and then it will appear all suddenly much easier. So absolutely. And that's something I always encourage people. If you are stuck somewhere, don't waste time. Call us. We brainstorm. And as I mentioned, there's not one way of doing things. There are many, many ways. So we will brainstorm and then you say, oh yeah, I will do that. So really, really important to call us at any time. Okay? Priya, yeah, another good question. Can I sell online only, or is it possible to sell to schools or locally? Yeah, really good question, Priya, because today was more dedicated on the AI side. You develop the strategy which is right for you. There are many, many ways to develop your strategy because our audience is really wide, from birth to 10 years old. So audience could be parents, grandparents, anybody that has got to make a gift to kids, could be shops, event fairs, digital. You know, there's so many ways that you choose what you love doing. You can do partnership as well. Now we see more and more people doing partnership instead of doing everything yourself. Build your own network, delegate. That's also nice thing. Some people love it, some people don't. Build partnership with schools. It could be B2B, B2C, whatever you like. You've got total flexibility, but again, and that's what we help you doing. The coaching is really to go where your expertise on what you love doing. Focus on what you love doing first. Okay? On what is nice, you focus on it, on what it's running by itself. Once you've automatized it, you add one and one and one. Maybe I will take a final question. Is there a guarantee or refund policy if I realize it's not for me? Yeah, absolutely. You know, I mentioned here, you've got the 7 money back guarantee. So if after a while you say, oh no, it's not for me, absolutely fine. We don't ask you any questions. You call us, you send us an email, and we send you the refund. Absolutely. Now, so thank you very much for listening. We are arriving at the end of this webinar. We covered quite a lot. So don't worry, during the training, it's not that intense because we take bit by bit. But today, I just wanted you to get an overview. So today, basically, you've seen that we are living, anyway, I feel we are living in an incredible time. And thanks to AI, we can create, imagine, and launch without being an expert, without a big budget, and also without spending sleepless nights. And when you apply that to a world as magical as childhood and learning, you get something really, truly powerful, a joyful, meaningful, and really profitable business. So what I'm offering you today with Learning Kids, it's not just another course. It's really a structure, real tools, and a genuine opportunity to finally take the leap. So today, you can choose, you know, the offer that fits you, that fits your reality, and get started. Not in 3 months, not when you have more time, but now. So hope you've enjoyed, and thank you so much for your time, and look forward to hearing from you soon.